Morning everyone. Right, I've got my glue gun on, so I hope it's ready because I'm going to do a nice flower. And I'm using these that Melanie sent me. So hopefully I try not to knock the table too much, but I just loved them. And I just thought if I mix those with some, you know, like some doilies, like that, but I want another one underneath. I just have to find one big enough. See, I've got the right colour. It's kind of like a lemon colour. Yeah. I think I'm going to do that. Hopefully my glue gun is ready. I'm going to pop that right in the middle. Like that. I'm not using any lace, and that's the best thing about it. You don't have to use lace all the time. I'm going to put this doily on top. Now when you're choosing your doilies, try and choose one that's got a little bit of character. It's a nice edge, nice pattern. But yeah, like that. And because I don't want it to flap about everywhere, I am just going to stick it down in a couple of places, because if it's a pin and it's getting worn, you don't want, you know, it to have it on and then it all just flop down. I'm also going to use a couple of these leaves. Shall I? Yeah, I'm going to use these because I can. No other reason. Just because I can. Now let's have a look. Yeah, I like that. I'm just going to put that to one side. I do have these leaves as well. I mean, I took these off I don't know what it was. I think it was a tablecloth or something like that. Very old tablecloth. They are stained, but I like that. I like it because it gives it originality, do you know what I mean? So I'm basically just going to use that so it's different, like that. And then I've got this particular doily which I love. Again, it's got character. So if you are making doily flowers, give it some character and layer it. You really do need to. And I like that, to be honest. I love that. So Melanie, I absolutely love these, what you've made. Like that. Now I've got some flower, see how easy that is? I've got some flower centres that I'm going to use. This is my own little private collection. I could sell these, but they are expensive because you buy them in packs. You get all different sizes, and I don't use them that often. But when I do like something, then I will. Yeah, I've got one here that I like. Quite a few that I like. But just this one. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's pretty, but it's not exactly what I want. I don't want anything too... See, I like that. Yeah, that's perfect. What I've got to do is just clip the back off it, so... And then... put the glue all around. And then what I'm going to do is just sit that in the middle. And that is just stunning. Here we go. I'm going to make up a stick pin. There's my pliers. Just going to make up this little stick pin. I've got these little butterflies. And I just bend them back. Add my stick pin to them. And there you go. Squash that in, see, like that. And then that, yeah, I like that. Can sit in somewhere there, like that. Oh, isn't that lovely? So thank you, Melanie, for your trimming. I'm going to do another one because I like them. I didn't want to waste them. No, that's not quite. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put this on. These are the clusters. We have these in several colours. And you can buy them. They're really, really good prices. Really good prices. So run along to the shop if you're interested in them. You see what I mean about layering a project. You can layer them. You can, that doesn't really need anything, but I do want a piece of bling in the middle. I'm going to put a diamond in it, I think. Not a real one, I wish I had one. Do you know what, I'm actually going to change that slightly. Slightly, take it off, woman. Just because I've just seen one of the centres. Now, we do have about 30 different, I think it's 35 different flower centres. Yes, we do. We have at least 35 of them. Different ones. And I absolutely love them all. And I've got a heap load more coming in. Right, so I want that there. Turn that round. I'm going to change the position of that. I'll put it in when I finish this. I don't think my glue gun's heating up enough. I've not given it long enough, to be honest. I just want to see. It's a little flower with a pearl in the middle. And I just want to see a bit of bling and pearl. In the middle, like that. Yeah, isn't that nice? In fact, that's gorgeous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually attach I like that. Do I? Maybe not. I like it there. That's where I like it. You can see everything. So they're quite easy. Use what you've got and layer things up. Sorry, I was looking at showing you those upside down. But, you know, I mean, they're fab. Look, great. So thank you, Melanie, for your nice flower centres and your eyelash stuff. I do really and truly, I am grateful for everything that anybody sends me, and I do use it. I do often get told to pass things on, and it's not if I can't use it. If I know somebody else that is less fortunate than me, then I will definitely help them and pass some things on to them. It's just in my nature to do it. That's me. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to change this butterfly and put the bead at the bottom. That's better, and that will hold in the bead. Yeah, that's better. Really nice. So I'm just going to make one more. I'm going to use the doily at the bottom. Let's find another one of those that I need. Now let's have a look, because I do have some other bits. Yeah, we've got some smaller ones here. Although I like the ones Melanie sent us. So I'm going to use that, and that. Right, well, let's just do it this way. Oh, I've just spotted something that I got out and I wasn't sure whether to use it, but I'm going to. So there's my leaf going on. Oops. Just pop that on like that. I will do another couple of these, I think. I got these off eBay, I think it was, many moons ago. I don't use them that often, but I do use them if I'm making a particularly nice flower. Now I've got some flowers here which I'm going to use. I like that one, so let's just see how we get on. Just going to pop on this doily. You can see that layer there. Because you can mix and match paper as well as material with flowers, and I just like that. See, that's just different to me. And then what I'm going to do is pop on the there, like that. See, I like those. And you don't need lace, you just don't need it. So what I'm going to do is pop the backs on. Pop that on there. I don't know to put something else with that. Shall I? Let's have a look, see what we can do. Do you know what I'm going to do? I've got a different colour one here, and I'm actually going to cut it. And I don't, yeah, people say, oh, Fee, how can you do that? Easy, I've just done it. Just done it. I'm just going to build this one up a little bit. I want to build it up a little bit more. Here we go. I'm going to pop that in there. Let me just shift this one out of the way while it's drying so you can see this one. Yeah, I just cut them. I used to cringe and think, oh my god, I can't do that. I'm spoiling such a gorgeous, gorgeous flower. You know, doily. How can I ruin such a gorgeous doily? And then I got used to it and thought, oh no, sod it. See, I already like that shape. It's like a shape, but I'm just going to do another one. This time I'm going to use one of these and just cut it. Use different colours. Just cutting them, fold them over. It's not a new idea of folding them over. It's been out a long time. Yeah, I'm just going to pull that slightly back because I want the leaf at the front, and tuck that in there like that. So that's, oh yeah, yeah, I think we'll do that again. And I think we'll turn that around and do that side now. There we go. Just tuck that in there. Pop a little bit of glue on the top. It's just about, I mean, it's just not a conventional shape or anything, but it's added more texture to it and more layering, and that's what I like. So I do like that better now. Oh, sorry, that way, because I keep forgetting I used to have the camera the opposite way around. So I'm just going to put these on view for you to see. Shift that out of the way now they're all ready. There's the spots. like that. And there you go. Beautiful, beautiful, shabby chic flowers. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye for now.